For today's video, I will teach you to color. We have three balloons here. One, two, three. The first balloon has a heart shape. The second balloon has a circle shape. The third balloon has a star shape. Now we will color the heart balloon with the color red. We will shade the heart balloon a color red using a red crayon. The half of the heart shape is now a color red. Now we will color the other half. We're done. The heart shape is now color red. Let's go with the circle shape, circle balloon. Let's color this a color yellow. I will now color the circle balloon with the color yellow using the yellow crayon. The circle balloon is now a color yellow. Next, we will color the star balloon with the color blue. The star balloon is now color blue. Now we have the heart-shaped balloon with the color red, red, the circle balloon with the color yellow, and the star balloon with the color blue. Now we're done. Let's get the crayons. This is these are the crayons that we use in coloring the balloons. We have red crayons, blue crayons, and yellow crayons. Now we're done. We have three balloons with the color red, yellow, and blue.